Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The IUPAC name of the compound is. Choices are A. But 1 in 3-one, B. But 3 in 2-one, C. But 3-one 1 in, D. But 2-one 3 in. Answer is B. But 3 in 2-one. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The given compound is. It has one double bond and one keto group. Here the keto group is the main functional group and the double bond behaves as a substituent. Assign numbers to the carbon chain so the keto group gets the lowest number. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This compound has 4 carbon atoms. So, but 1 double bond is at position 3. So, 3 in. The keto group is at position 2. So, 2-one. Therefore, the name of this compound is but 3 in 2-one. Thank you for watching this video.